Hi, my name is Marina. Welcome to Real Life and Archetypes. In this channel, what I want to do is to show you how I understand and how I use archetypes in everyday life. And this is what I do also with my work. I interpret astrological birth charts, but based on archetypes. Archetypes are references to the universal human experience. And so when we understand that the things that we go through, the things that happen in everyday life or in much bigger and more important periods of our lives, especially difficult times, we can recognize that these are universal experiences, and that helps us get some distance and have more of a connection also with the world. So I am very much connected to the spiritual path, but spirituality to me is not about, meditating and being spiritual in terms of escaping the world and being very weird. To me, it is a very pragmatic thing. This is the way I understand spirituality. It's about learning to connect to something that is more pure inside of us, which is, that's the hero archetype, actually. There's something that we came here to do and to become. We want to have a great experience, but life here has its rule and it has its physical constraints, and it can become really difficult. But I do believe that we're here to actually have a positive experience. It's just that sometimes things get very difficult. Now, because of my own personal experiences, and I have been through hell, I've had to seek out that kind of way of understanding my own experiences. This is how I came to develop my process and my archetype system, which I call the Archetype Reader. And right now, what I'm doing is a big project so that I can bring this system to more people. And so I will be resuming my interpretations later on this year because I need to finish this first. But in the meantime, I will keep posting so that you can see and learn about what I learn every day and the way that I look at things, because I think archetypes are very useful. And I love to combine the spiritual with the pragmatic, because that's what I believe that we're supposed to experience here. So, what I want from you is if you could please like and subscribe because it helps. This is a very new channel. I'm just learning to get around here. And this is something you can do to support the growth of this channel. It's a very tiny channel right now, just beginning. And I would love for you to interact with me. If you want to ask me questions, if you want to comment, that also helps the channel. So I'm very grateful for that. And I hope to see you around. Thank you very much for watching.